Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Loox for photo reviews on Shopify, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Loox for photo reviews on your Shopify store, begin by opening your Shopify admin panel. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Apps. Once in the Apps section, select Shopify App Store to browse for new applications. In the App Store's search bar, type Loox and hit Enter. You should see Loox photo reviews in the search results. Click on the Loox app icon to view its details. On the Loox app page, click the green Add App button. You will be redirected to your Shopify admin panel to confirm the installation. Review the permissions required by Loox and then click Install App after installation. You will be taken to the Loox setup page. To start the configuration, click on Get Started or Install. Next, you'll want to customize your settings. Begin by selecting your preferred review display options. You can adjust the star ratings, review layout, and photo display preferences. After customizing, save your settings to apply the changes. Loox may prompt you to import existing reviews if you have them. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the import process. Next, configure your email request settings for after-purchase reviews. Set the timing and frequency of review requests to engage your customers effectively. You can also personalize the email template to match your brand voice. After finishing these settings, click Save to finalize. Now, navigate to the Widget section in the Loox app. Choose where you would like the reviews to be displayed on your store. You can display reviews on product pages, home pages, or even in galleries. Once you've made your selections, click Save. To integrate Loox into your store, go back to the Shopify admin panel. Visit the Themes section under Online Store. Click on the Customize button for the theme you are using. In the Theme Editor, find the section where you want to add Loox reviews. Usually, you will add this in the product page settings. Once you have located the right section, save the changes. Preview your store to ensure the Loox reviews are displayed correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.